Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal, and a very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night at whichever place you are. Thank you for subscribing to our channel and liking our videos till now. Some of you have become my patients, so really thankful. If you are not my patients and you are doing these exercises, you want to share your progress, please comment in the comment box so that we know how you are progressing and we can guide you even further. If you want our online or offline consultation, the numbers are given below. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you doing? Why are you watching this video? You're not allowed to watch the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video and press the bell icon. क्योंकि इतना तो आप कर ही सकते हैं, इतना करने के लिए तो आपको पैसे नहीं लग रहे ना, करिए. And support our channel, support Arogya PhysioTips, because I want each woman in this world, men also, I'm not a feminist please, each woman in this world to be as healthy, as happy as much as possible. Today we are here to demonstrate Diastasis Recti sitting exercises. We have demonstrated mat exercises, we have demonstrated standing exercises. So today we are doing sitting exercise. Now for sitting there are two basic rules. One is you can use the exercise ball or a chair which does not have the handle. So if you don't have exercise ball, you can still use the chair. Make sure it does not have the handle. Second very important point is you should not sit like this, okay? So don't sit with your shoulder forward. You should be, your core has to be activated, your pelvic has to be activated, your back has to be straight and not overarched as well. So don't sit like this either. So don't overarch, don't sit like this, sitting on the sit bones, not on the coccyx muscle. One very important point is, if you sit like this, you will be able to feel the coccyx at the end. So don't sit like that. Sit on the sit bones, spine straight, smile on your face, because exercise में smile करने से मजा आता है exercise करने का. So let's get started with our breathing exercise. You already know 360 degree or umbrella breathing, so we can do that. So breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Some of you have asked me that whether we can do this exercise with mouth or nose. We have to breathe in. So start with just breathing in and breathing out with nose, and then you can progress to even diaphragmatic breathing with pursed lip breathing, which is basically breathing in from the nose, bringing the chest and abdomen up, and breathing out from the mouth. You can even bring little resistance by taking the hands like this, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Most of the exercises which we are doing today, you can do 10 repetition into 3 sets. If you are comfortable, if you get tired, do as much as possible. That's absolutely okay. So after you finish 30 breathing of diaphragmatic breathing or 360 degree breathing, both the breathings you can do or one of them you can do. What is 360? Just inhaling and exhaling. What is diaphragmatic breathing? Giving little resistance. This is basically resistance to your mid lobe, your lower lobe, your upper lobe. Okay? In any ways you can do, or you can do without the resistance, breathing in and breathing out. So if you see, when I am doing with pursed lip, my exhalation is longer and I am trying to pull the belly button towards the spine. Breathe in, breathe out. Belly button towards the spine. So once you finish your 30 repetition of breath, then we start with the exercises. So we move our ankle, we come on toes and we go on heel. We come on toes and we go on heel. Okay, the same exercises can be done even at the chair. Okay, so if you feel imbalance in an exercise ball, please make sure that you can do it on the chair. Now heel up, inhale, toes up, exhale. Heel up, inhale, toes up, exhale. How many repetition? I already told you, around 10 into 3. If you can do only 10, that's also good enough. Something is better than nothing at all. Okay. Now we'll start with the second exercise, which is basically the alternating march. Alternating march, your legs will be as apart as your hip. Okay, 90 degree. You can bring your hands here. You can even, if you are on the advanced stage, you can hold a water bottle or a dumbbell also. Okay. So depending on which stage you are in, so either this or a water bottle or a dumbbell, depending on whichever stage you are in, you will hold it here and take the leg up. While taking the leg up, I am breathing out. So there is so much of core activation happening. You will feel it is easy, but do it in exercise ball. Yes, all the exercises can be done in chair as well. So you can continue doing in the chair as well. Okay. If you cannot hold anything, water bottle also, dumbbell, you can do the same exercise by. Now once you are comfortable here, you can take the hands up because the core activation will be even more. So you can take the hands up. And do the alternating march. Again, 10 into 3. Okay. So when I say 10 into 3, does not mean 15 here, 15 here. It means 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Do you know your maths? I don't know my maths. Okay. Let's go to the third exercise. So we are sitting comfortably and easily. We will lift the leg up. So breathe out and breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Breathe in. देखो पता नहीं चला मैं सपोर्ट लेने लगी. Cheater मत बोलना. Pooja is not a cheater. Huh? Okay. Again. Now this is a difficult exercise. So if you can do only 10 on both the sides, then also it's good. But if you can progress to 30, I definitely don't mind. Okay. So breathe out as you take the leg up. Breathe in, stretch, breathe out again and bring it back. इसमें dumbbell भी ले सकते हैं. So we'll hold the dumbbell and now see, it's become more difficult. So if you want to increase the difficulty level, you can even hold the dumbbell. Okay. Once you finish that, you will just bring the leg up so you can hold the ball like this and try to bring the leg up. Okay, मैं balance करने का सोच रही हूँ. Otherwise, I will fall right in front of the screen. Okay, and I don't want to get head injury. So okay, breathe out. Every time you bring the leg up, breathe out. You can see the core activation is so much more in an exercise ball. And similarly, this side. So when you are bringing the leg up, you're breathing out. When you're bringing the leg down, you're breathing in. Okay, this can be called sitting SLR, where you are sitting and taking the leg up. Okay, now alternating hand and leg. It is like bicycle crunches, but slightly different. So I'm holding the dumbbell. You may not hold the dumbbell if you are in the first stage. If you think that you are getting better, you can even hold the dumbbell. Okay, bundle bol rahi hu main. Usha always shout at me that I always screw. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. 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 And similarly, you have to do on the other side. So I hold the ball so that there is some balance I get. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Avoid overarching. This should not come. Your head balancing with the core. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. So again, 10 to 15 on this side, 10 to 15 on this side. If you are okay, do 2 or 3 sets. Okay? If you are okay, then only. For the next exercise, I am using the kettlebell. If you don't have the kettlebell, you can continue using the dumbbell or a water bottle. Okay? So what you will do is, you will inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now what is important in this is, I am not going so much beyond my knee. Okay? So you are not trying to come here. You are not doing this. Okay? What you are doing is inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. That's about it. Okay? So if you see, inhale, exhale. See, I am almost in line with my knee. I come till there. Exhale, inhale, exhale. So inhale as you take the hands forward, exhale on the side, inhale back in, exhale back. Okay? That's too much actually. Really, you will feel that what I am saying is very, very simple exercise. They are not. Okay? Now for the next exercise, I am holding the dumbbell. You may just hold the water bottle or you may not hold anything at all. Make sure your core is activated. How you know your core is activated? Don't overarch. Neutralize the back. Neutralize the back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in again. Breathe out. Breathe in again. Breathe out. Breathe in again. Breathe out. Similarly, we can do breathe in and rotate. Breathe out. Breathe in. पड़ोसी को देख सकते हैं, पड़ोसी क्या कर रहा है, कपड़ा सुखा रहा है कि खाना बना रहा है. If you make good food, you can always give me. Okay, I love eating homemade food. So breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in again. Breathe out. Okay. So how many you can do that? As many times as possible for you. So if you are okay with 10, 10. Otherwise 10 into 2 or 10 into 3. Okay. Depending on you. You should not get tired in any of the exercises. Very, very, very important. If you are getting tired, take a break, breathe, chill pill. You can even eat Mentos. दिमाग की बत्ती जो बुझा जला देता है something. Okay. But if you are not taking Mentos also, their Mentos has not given us any money to tell this. Okay. Now next exercise is actually getting up. Okay, so what we have done is till now we have only sat down, so we'll try to get up. So chair squat. So we'll bring both the hands together and we will come up. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. So if you are seeing, I am not getting fully up and I am coming back. That's because I am in a balance ball. If you are in the chair, you can actually come full up and go back because your ball may go back, right? So you have to have a chance where you should know that your calf muscle is touching the ball, because if your calf muscle is not touching the ball, there are chances ball has gone back. So don't sit in that case. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Again do 10 or 20 or 30. Okay. Next exercise, we are taking the leg to the side. Okay, so what we will do is bring first the leg together. Okay, sitting erect and taking the legs to the side. So breathe out, breathe in, breathe out to the other side, breathe in, breathe out. See how the core is getting involved. Breathe out. Now when you are going to the side, don't do this. Come onto your toes and come back. Okay, come onto your toes, so there will be core involvement. Come back. Come onto your toes, core involvement, come back. Again, you can do 15 on either side or 30 on either side, depending on your comfort. So remember, when you are doing a sitting diastasis recti workout, what are the movements you are doing? I will just revise this in a jiffy. One is your breathing, diaphragmatic breathing or pursed lip breathing or 360-degree breathing. The next is basically the alternating march. The next is taking the leg up, bringing it up, taking the leg up and opening the knee, okay. The next is just bringing the leg up like this, then alternating hand on both the sides and then taking the leg to the side and your squats. And you finish with the workout. How easy, right? But doing it is difficult, and consistency is which will take you further. So it is very important. If you are a DR patient, hernia patient, you have to be as consistent as possible, okay. With this we finish the workout. Of course, you should take a track of how many repetitions you are doing. Also share with us your progress, and all the subscribers, I love you, and all the subscribers who are not subscribing, I don't love you, okay. Not that I hate you, but I don't love you for sure. So if you love us, please show your love to us by subscribing to our channel, liking our video, sharing our video, commenting below, because if you comment, then we know somebody is watching. Otherwise we don't know, we hardly interact with each other, right? And our whole aim is to help you out. So if you feel we should make videos on some particular topic, please tell us the topic, we will make the video. Till then, tata, see you, bye, Shabba Khair, bye. Subscribe to Arogya PhysioTips.